Okay, welcome back, boys. Just got another backtesting session for you guys today, and we're just going to be doing from the 17th to the 20th of September 2019. So I'll just go and extend this quickly by a week, and then I'm not sure if we have FOMC this week. I wouldn't be surprised if we do, though. Okay, obviously, skipping up to Tuesday, as per usual. None. Okay. Yeah, so we have Fed funds target rate. So, I mean, we can just look for a setup for the sake of it, but it would be a waste of time. Yeah, I'm going to skip up to Thursday. So yeah, this might be a pretty short backtesting session, but looks like we should be able to catch a very nice trade. Like pre-market price is pumping, and we have a clear draw for today. So we can go, yeah, first target's there. And then we have bearish SMT. So we might need to watch long shorts. Sorry. But again, you're going to need a lot more confirmation before we enter shorts. Yeah, this. And then, yeah. So we're waiting for this gap to be tapped into, and then we can take long. No new gaps being formed, no reason for us to enter. Just accumulating but in an upwards fashion. Okay. This could be where we get our short, because we haven't really formed any gaps, and we just inverse the 5. Yeah, and we do have bearish SMT up here. So we'll definitely watch this 5. I'll mark that out. Probably if we take a short, it's going to be a very light risk. Okay, we're starting to reaccumulate, which is good. Haven't tapped into any gaps. We don't have any gaps. And the new hourly gap just formed. So that can be just a quick draw on liquidity for us. We tap, okay. So we're manipulating up into this gap now. We tap this discounted 1 minute, and look at this SMT with AS. Look how much higher up they've come. So probably be safe to take this first inversion here. And then just go light risk. Maybe target this unfilled 15. Obviously, go break even and trim at that hourly gap. And then, yeah, not really any other targets for us to watch out for, except for this 15. So, yeah, we'll enter light risk short here. Go break even and trim about 75%. Too easy, boys. How far does price run down? Damn. Could have caught literally 9R. No worries there, though. Move on to the last day of the backtesting session on the Friday. And yeah, it looks like price has just been chopping around this week, just probably because we had FOMC. Or the Fed, shall I call it? Yeah, if we were, in my opinion, if we were going to distribute and take out all-time highs, we probably would have done so already with a lot more conviction than we have right now. Price looks very indecisive. Like, look on the 1 hour chart, not really moving, just ranging within like 100 ticks. So, yeah, this 5 minutes been tapped already. Yeah, might be looking for a short here, boys. All these relative equal lows. And then probably take it down to here, maybe. But let's wait for this 5 minute to be rebalanced. It's small, but it's a gap. And the one above it has already been tapped, and there's no 15-minute gaps in sight. Yes, with the corny price action as per. Okay, well, we're just gonna have to. Okay, so we tap that. Let's wait for an inversion. Okay. Oh, we got the inversion. Just gonna have it at the top of this order block. And then we can probably take it down. Actually, I'm gonna have it at the top of this. Discounted 1 minute. And basically on that order block. And we'll take that there. And again, we had SMT up here and here. Look how much higher up. AS went. Made it high. AS made, sorry, NQ made a low. Ooh, we're gonna get stopped. No stopped out. I haven't stopped out yet. We're at a 1-to-1, so I'm gonna go break even. Especially after getting chopped around like that. And then we'll trim 50% there. And then smack this final TP. Too easy. Okay, so decent trading week. I'll go down to this. I'll go to the stats so we can do a bit of a rundown on the week. So Tuesday, Wednesday, or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, had no news, and we had the Fed speaking at 2 p.m. on Wednesday. So I sat out those 3 days, and then obviously took trade Thursday, Friday, and made about 1.5% in each trade. So yeah, the dashboard is looking, wants to load. Okay, about 35% return since June, an average of like 10% return per month, basically. Yeah, pretty good profit factor, good win rate. And yeah, I'll be making backtesting session videos every single day. So make sure you come and watch. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.